or your normal prosecutor, or your special prosecutor. Prosecutor is like any ordinary state attorney because some members of parliament on a bill now. The special prosecutor bill puts him still under the supervision of the attorney general. So did you go or did you come? The problem with attorney general, they say, or your minister of justice, it's your only president national cabinet. It is a kobasa katasi share na proye biba. Akoya said na buying inti or can buy no hunti or to mean prosecuting the panel. Enti na Adwemba say yenye special prosecutor. Enti anka okoye special prosecutor. It was say oye independent. I just say aban and train no near was oye ni onye. And then I say Billy Abbey special prosecutor. Say Opeja Sebno Castle do quarter. Attorney General Betty Akacha so unjai. Mokai say invisible forces called board judges be ewo Kumasi. Attorney General Filey BBI friend nolly prosequi. Nolly prosequi. Osha Bill Numa, Attorney General. Asema special prosecutor Apeja, Attorney General Betty Filey nolly prosequi. Say unjai assembly HD. Etina me say prosecutor no onye special because say open say or yes special prosecutor. And I was here amended 1992 constitution no. Now you creating office of an independent special prosecutor. And sana with bienya sa fahundie any independence obetimi akon etia katasi shede proye. But say anya sa dia any prosecutor no hokwa.
Meka no credibility must not put my body. My family is going to go to press. That's if we are saying, Yehia Nipa Aka, Yehia Nipa, or the kind of prayer. That's I see any that is go the kind of prayer. If you know my family was there, if you are just go when the president, my half of food yet, and tell the president, Mama, take that, what you then be near all for what you want to. They are very big in Yama. The end is in Abba. And Abba. The end is near. What in your first room? What the end is near? We are Ghana, we are to my family. Or kind of prayer, I get number. There are so one present here. What's your good for that? I will say, you have been one very the why are there? My family, we get Manama Ghana.
My way or my aunt, Froyenica, Shemu Mapan. Into Briar Shimko for no. Or my own migrants, so very by no more sure. It's a woman said, will be action into the mini set for any catastrophe the possible mind. We did the time as mammy to bet me I do man a pie. It's not a one fee into no betting I share more movies can or more win this can. And now do I have this say or the special prosecutor number? Then you did your choosing your pa. Why justice? You did the pass of it, my humano. Now. Dear many that's why remember any agent home pony say obet me achi one now or my D or my Nisicano or my na ye Sicano and co baby basabasa. Now be a for Yesicano and yet and find send bottom send your heavy anti many
a good now Corona Dawson and this same restaurant, especially DKM and Sa Ayalolo Bassy. It's in a way you know more than so already. Obey you, no, so yes, you Uncle J. Bible, Biana, on you. Now you no cry na chair, but a choma, near whom no prayer woman, now on the Pahofro, ain't me so any other.
Very good, because Sanya and Yama Esikono, say Yanshena, Yansinia may be ya or mine. It should be anywhere, but over to me, a humanity, Sana and Neb and Umsu, I walk around to me. I did the obey with me a young quadia, Yanko Poshas with me and to my family do with me a Jumano.
Martin Amedy a correct person for Jumano because me believe it say time as to say you bet chicken coffee Amuria and minus Cafe Ghana for me think it's a Nana do I just saw the special prosecutor Abba.
I am there say offer Martin Amedy our former Attorney General NDC 1 year party bias. For me, it's good. Like fairness about prosecution. If you look at this record.
You, they made me a class as say Ghana Integrity Initiative there. Special prosecutor won't send me here and it's all shy. You make the last quarter of the year. You contributed to the development of the bill. Any again in 90 years way to man. Ako it's In the president also bar 2nd January obe assent the signature editor bill so you born about to say president or ade in there wasn't ye extra and say ye koye so far as ye bet to me ye say be boy and for yakofo Honorable Martin Amidu we share provisions of the new law special prosecutor law na extra and say or qualify if the new idea test ye bet to me ashe Obi over 12 years standing at the bar. Obi a show commitment to the fight against corruption. Obi a only get and send it for year. BBI Adani Albert was there in the film. When your many natural and say Honorable Martin or qualify according to the provisions of the law. Lord also try and say Attorney General be nominated. Yet the back of Parliament President be appointed. And no process I follow. It is a fear and a idea because the President and the Attorney General don't boom and nominate Nipa Wedia. Yeni sheka ni track record and say or you will be a obetumi aye adwuma in the Senate for 4 ejina tumni ye bomb pie second parliament and so parliamentary parliament dancing committee no ebe also the approval bema no na wetumi aba abaye adwuma no sene en brana say ma metumi aka ne say o de nipa free heaven popa aye baya ebe kan ne ho say unqualified Obaka say me na ya adwin Obaka say obeye witch hunting obi adin bebe here some group of people and as an individual be robeting at 100% then e betumi aye and grandma president any attorney general to me say omo nominate obi approve obi na obi so approve appointed no and only embrace the adwuma the president say no ye betumi akasa wo ho ebi maka say omo mpe but that's to me na ye obi so message no it does not lie with obi or disagree so we can only express an opinion on the matter yenya kata from heaven Amedu qualifies under the current law now ye wono the president say we have to accept that's what say we share the new law ya pass here ye wo positions for can I say deputy special prosecutor ye wo board your committee, you're not a bra, a betini, abuana, Ketasene for a couple, then you have a for pet and a baby. Only as the leader of that team, it's the best say, you know, the provisions not law, no, ya personal, ye be say, Nasa Matanamidu, Uncle, yeah, and you may be against the law. The Siano. Say, Yako Yempeno, the parliament has to be a moot. It is such a thing now, as will be a member won't be. But they be and say, Yampa ye in the process, Netty, ye making sure, say, special prosecutor, ye bear approve, ye bear appointing me, and then a deputy, and then the governing board, and you start to go big more on the embrano, a big one. Some of them, Brana Yajuma, they are saying, it's here. I say, process will hide the video with you are, you follow. Chadana Democrats no, and I'm always excited. The National Parliament here almost one almost investigate inquiries about that allegation of Sudania for 8 minutes. The Democrats was minority for request here. Speaker accepted committee accepting up, and the say, no broadcast, live broadcast. I just said democracy no, Mume na ye yeah, such a position there, yeah, nominating the parliament after the courtroom one year, you did say, obey me, I humano.
Yen say, Tiofuna, Edikai, Yabama, Yabama, Jamie, you Simqua, say, you're nominating by Bompire, say, or co parliament, Bear Jonia Ginatum. Babo, Yabapa, Peter and I, the Danko for the Swabaso, say, one fair political colors. Na when it came on you be a independent about that office nano ye. Yet see, CD, say it's in line with your submission. Time my boss said, bill by a boo parliamentary amendment, yes, your submission coye. Now, even though you have money per specific thing, your criteria. And into see, she said, Nipa is of it's office, no. If Papa Martin and you, young qualities and area as CDD, and no mindful now. enkofa wanfi we ka se buha bia emma unim se papa excellency former president kwa kan wasem empenifo bia kan wasem dada na wo yenye trimu no call parliament the man chey you assume basu nyina no na ye usura ewum se kwan kura the babdi say di bia no only akro no e den obey opposition political parties even though the law no ye clear and the parameters as to when the one individual room semu compared to even the private individual wo namo nsaso a betimi afa so my agri right misfell and so na ehu kakra wo if papa must you even though very member na so a NDC member was serving NDC political party leader but me no meaning na so gitu mu se e bakata se pro ya onim party colors onim ni mami onim ni papa onu ankasa ne party kura members no obachi obegina nsani ni eduato nsani aso asusu say what can the mono ye wo umano we politicians power to leading political parties somewhat that character no papa appeal for any papa Martin Midu enti na ye hia obi a okita sa lens no obi a on fa ho say the bano any papa no any mama no obi a owo sa the bill no hwehwe so okita sa long qualification as a legal practitioner obia oye Ghana ni o Ghana interest impo on the private life no yan fa medieval share so no one can set me di animu e ko gina court so e priest kama yen e tell say even though we know him to be belongs to a political party when the actions ne character no it goes beyond politics.